Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do data visualization on Prime videos, movies, and shows. So basically, what is data visualization? It is the representation of information in the form of chart, diagram, picture, etc. And why we do data visualization is to make easier for human brain to understand the insights of the data from a large data set. So now let's move on to a data set. This is a data set and it has following columns: ID, title, type, description, release year, age certification, runtime, germs, production, countries, seasons, IMDb ID, score, vote, and TMDB popularity and score. This is a very large data set and we are going to do data visualization for the same. So this is the code of our data visualization. We have done this in Python. First, what we have done is we have imported various libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, and Matplotlib. Then we have uploaded our dataset with the command read CSV. This dropna is the data frame of Pandas. It will remove all the rows which are having empty values. So first is we have sorted out top 20 TV shows and movies which have highest IMD ratings. These are the top 20. Here, head 20 represent the top 20. If in place of head we use tail, it will represent the lower 20. This is the bar plot for it. Here we have done top 30 for the same. These are top 30 TV shows with highest IMD rating. Similarly, for lowest IMDb ratings, we have used scale and we have showcased these are the 10 shows with lowest IMDb ratings. For visualizing this data, this is the bar chart here because since they are the lowest, they don't have any ratings. That's why this is blank. The next question we have done is top 10 production countries that produce Prime videos and shows. So here we have used flag size 10, fixed size 10, 6. It represent width and height of this of the bar graph we have drawn. Here kind is a bar and for x-axis we have taken countries and for y-axis we is the count. So you can see the most country that produces the content is US. So United States is the most production country. The next question we have done is data visualization we have done is content released according to the year. So for this, it shows that the most amount of content is released is between somewhat around 2020 and the start of it was around 1960s and at this time it was at the peak. The next visualization we have done is of a histogram on runtime of videos with frequency. So this shows the runtime of every TV show and minutes. This 0, 200, 400, 600, 800 are in minutes, and frequency is how much type of movies or shows are between in these runtime. So here the usually the movie or show is between the runtime of 0 minute to 200 minutes. This is the code for it, and kernel estimation. Next data visualization is of bar plot. Here we have listed top 10 most popular genres based on average TMDB popularity. Before that, what is TMDB? It is basically the movie database. It is an online database that tells about the content of movies and videos and shows. So here are the top 10 popular genres. Like, for example, people love the popularity of comedy and thriller is more. They're followed by scientific fictional action animation like this. These are the top 10. Now, this is the content based on age certification, whether it's R rated, whether it's for 30 age above, PG. So, most of 36.3 of the content is R rated and 18.4 is PG 13 rated. Here we have used auto ECT. It basically shows the percentage in the pie chart and about start angle. It will rotate the plot by a specific degree. Here it is 140 and in counterclockwise direction it will rotate it. The next is we have visualized the relation between IMDb score and EMDB score using scatter plot. At X axis, we have IMDb score, and at Y, we have TMDB. We have given fixed size 8,6, and this is the scatter plot for it. Next, we have calculated the average TMDB popularity for each release year. So the highest popularity was in the year 2023 only, and the lowest was 1965 and 1984. 84. These are the top 10 based on release years, and we have given here fixed size 12,6. This is a bar plot, and the next we have done is IMDb scores for content and TMDB scores for content. Here is the data visualization for this. This is for IMDb score, we have given blue color, and for TMDB, we have given red color. It is the overall in the large data set. This is the overall. We haven't taken any top values or any bottom values. Now next we have compared IMBD and TMDD categories, score categories, whether it's good or bad. So here first we have defined a threshold for both of the operation to access whether it's good or whether it's bad. Then we have just put the values from the data set. This is for percentage, I have told you before. And then this is the data visualization for this. You can see the IMDB score is only 22.8% good, while 77.2% is not good. And about PMDB score, it's 20.1% is only good, 79.9% is not good. So here we can see that IMDB score has more good categories. Next, we have used machine learning algorithm K-means clustering. We have done two questions for it. First question is how can we cluster movies based on their release years and IMDb scores? First, we have selected relevant features for clustering. Here we have taken release year and IMDb score and the number of clusters we have chosen is 5. Then we have created and fitted it in K-means model. There is the code of it, and then we have visualized the clusters. We have taken the release year and IMDb score and visualized it in the form of cluster, and we have designed this map and this visualization it in the form of rainbow. This is the Here is the visualization for this. In the x-axis, like we have release year, and here we have IMDb score. Similarly, we have done similar question with key means clustering to how do movies cluster based on their IMDb score, TMDb score, and popularity. So here we have to take three relevant features. First, we have taken both the scores, and then we have also taken the popularity. Where we have set the number of clusters as 4, and then we have first created and fitted it the k-means model. This is the code for visualization. Projection, sorry, projection is 3D because we have visualized for three different different items like IMDb score, EMDB, and popularity. That's why this is in 3D. Here we have IMDb score, this is TMDB score, and here it's the popularity. Next, we have used SVM. So, SVM is basically a support vector machine. This is a supervised learning algorithm used in machine learning to solve classification and regression tasks. SVM are particularly good at solving binary classification problems, which require classifying the elements of a dataset into two groups. And now we have used this machine algorithm here also. First, we have imported the SVR train test split and mean squared error for it, and then we have choose the relevant features for regression, and these are the features we have choose for x axis and y axis. Now we have split the data set into training and testing sets. So x train, x test, y train, then y test, and then we have split it accordingly. Their test size will be zero point 0.2 and random state will be 42. Now we have created first SVM regressor and then train it, and then we have made predictions on the test set. Last, we have calculated the mean squared error for it, and then we have visualized the data. Here is the visualization for it. As you can see on x-axis, we have actual IMDb votes, and on the y-axis, we have predicted IMDb votes. So that's all from my side. I hope you easily recognize the data. It was This data visualization helped us to understand the large data set in somewhat easy manner. Thank you.